Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, your sunny escape to fresh, wholesome dishes inspired by the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean.
Hello, today's recipe is truly delightful. You'll be surprised how it's easy to make.
Okay, my friend, let's dive into it.
And delicious butter steak. 1. Garlic butter steak and asparagus skillet. Ingredients: 1 pound steak, ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon, sliced. 1 bunch asparagus, trimmed. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional. 1 tablespoon soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce. And easy instructions. 1. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add steak slices, season with salt and pepper, and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. 3. In the same pan, add butter and garlic, then toss in the asparagus. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until tender. 4. Return the steak to the pan, drizzle with soy sauce, and mix everything well. 5. Serve hot and enjoy.